So let's talk about intent. In Android, intent is like a message or a request that allows components to communicate and interact with each other. Intents are used to launch activities, start services, broadcast messages, and share data. So we'll learn how to use intent to navigate from the list screen to the detail screen and also share data along. Because when we are navigating from the list to the detail, we have to pass the product or the product ID to the detail for the detail to display that information over here. So to do that, we use a messenger called intent that allows you to communicate between two activities. You can also use it to share data. Let's look at how it works. To start with, first create a new activity. So right click, select new, select activity and select empty view activity. Name that activity second activity. Inside the main activity, go to the layout and change the text view to a button that says open second activity. So give it an ID of open activity. So once you are done, you go to your main activity and get access. So use find view by ID. Pass the type here, which is button. And then over here, you pass the ID and then set the click listener. So to create an intent, you declare a variable called intent. And then you call intent class. There's a class called intent. You have to import that class. Once you import that class, you pass the starting activity. So the starting activity is this activity. So I can say this at main activity. So this is the start activity, and then the destination activity, which will be the second activity. And then you add colon class.java. So this is the intent. You specify the intent, you create a variable for the intent, and then you use the intent class and then pass the start activity and then the destination activity to it. So since you are in this activity, you can refer to this activity by calling this. Okay, so you can remove this, but in order not to confuse yourself, you can append the at main activity to show that you are from this activity to the second activity. The next thing to do is to start the activity. Then you pass the intent that you created. And that's all. That's how simple it is to start an activity. Let's run the application to test it. So now you have your button. When you click here, it opens the second activity. Unfortunately, we don't have anything on the second activity. So let's add a message. Second activity. So now let's run the application again. So when you click on the button, it's open the second activity. How do we pass data to the second activity? To pass a data to the second activity, you can add data by saying intent dot put extra. So you select put extra, then you pass the name you want to give to the data and then the actual data. So we pass name and then the data. We use the name because when you are in the second activity, you want to retrieve that data by name. In the second activity, you retrieve the data by typing intent. In the second activity, create a variable to store the received data. Use intent.getInt extra. So this intent starts with small letter. So we use getInt extra because in our activity we pass integer data. Now use the key to get the value. So make sure you use the same key, the same name. Pass a default value of 0. Now we can set the message on the test view in the second activity. It is an int. The test view is expecting a string, so call to string method on it. So when you run it, then you see your data. So for the put extra method, we have a lot of method for all the data types. We have for boolean, float, double, and string. Once you pass it, you have corresponding methods in the second activity that you can use to retrieve the data. So we have get string extra, we have for boolean, we have for double, we have for integers, etc. So once you pass the data from the other side, note the data type and then note the key. Make sure you use the same key to retrieve the data on the second or the destination screen or activity. That's it for this video, guys. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. By so doing, you promote the channel. Thank you.